Hello everyone. Welcome to Futurelens by Dr. Kashish. How is one of the world's top universities handling the AI revolution? Not with fear, but with curiosity. Welcome to Stanford's AI Playground, a safe space to learn, experiment, and innovate the right way. Why educators should care? AI isn't just coming, it's already here in our classrooms, research labs, and administrative offices too. Everywhere at once. From student essays to grant writing, AI usage is rapidly expanding. The blank page problem. Many beginners feel overwhelmed and don't know where to start safely using AI. Stanford's solution. The AI Playground was built to offer a simple, secure practice environment to try before faculties and students apply and adopt concretely. Because always we have such kind of fear or the hesitation how to start, where to start. Unsure, which tool do I use? Is my data safe? This is the basic first question which we have in our mind. What this playground and how it will be going to help us. Safe experimentation zone with multiple tools. Confident, ready to adopt AI in teaching and work. It will make you more confident to use AI in your at your workplace and in education too. Key terms made simple. Before you start playing, let's learn the language of AI. First of all, we should understand what is generative AI. Tools that can create new content like text images or code based on your instructions prompts. This is known as generative AI, which generates for you. Then LLM, large language model, AI that specializes in understanding and writing human language, any language which human beings know. Most of the world's languages they have used, and we can speak or we can write in that, and you will get answer in the same language. It's read billion of pages of the text. It's not 4, 10, or 100. Billions of pages it could read, like a well-read librarian. Next one, hallucination. When AI confidently invents facts or makes errors, it sounds convincing, but it is wrong. So always verify outputs. Three things which we need to understand first of all. Like a creative assistant, AI can help you. Like a well-read librarian, you can ask AI to, or you can give lots of books or the data to read. Ultimately, sometimes it may give you confidently wrong data, but there human beings comes into the picture. What is wrong and right? We need to understand. What is the AI playground? That we need to understand. First of all, we got the information of generative AI. What is AI? How it helps? How it takes the input, and sometimes how that hallucination happens. Now we are going to focus on AI playground, a Stanford hosted environment designed for safe experimentation and boosting AI literacy. For that, they have created one playground where, in a very safe manner, you could learn AI and you can utilize AI for solving your day to day office or the education issues. Secure and hosted, a digital walled garden where data stays within the university environment. There, no chance like some that confidentiality, it would be helping you in that. Second, for everyone, from beginners unsure where to start in advanced users needing comparisons. If someone wants to start or advanced user wants the comparison, then this playground definitely would help you. Purposeful innovation. Started as a pilot, now a campus wide tool to innovate with purpose. And this is what this AI playground is going to help us with. Who can assess? As of OCT1, faculty, staff, students, and the scholars, they could use this AI playground. Tools and tasks that faculties and students can try. What can we try here? Core models like ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, or the Wolfram. What extras we have? You can generate the images, web scraping will be there, and AI assisted Google services will also be there. Analyze documents, then create graphs, or the build websites, assess skills. Everything you can do, but it would be very personal space of yours. It would be ethically you can use it, and here that hallucination will not be there. But for that, you should be mindful. Real campus examples, like in the classroom, History, just take the example of history department. The challenge will be analyzing dense periodicals and the handwritten journals. That would be really a critical and complex task which is difficult for us to complete. Takes hours of our manual reading. So here definitely AI can help you. Then how AI is going to help you there? Use AI to quickly scan and summarize text. Identify key themes in the minutes, not in days. If you're doing it manually, obviously it will be taking days or the months to resolve this. But here, AI is giving you solution in seconds or the minutes. In the office, when it comes to the in offices, what is the challenge? Handling complex spreadsheets and drafting repetitive emails consumes daily productivity. But if you get assistant over here, yes, AI is going to help you analyze data rows instantly for insights and drafted clear professional emails faster. If you're giving the ref data, definitely it would be giving you very polished kind of professional data or the emails or the reports. Safety and privacy by design. Stanford built the AI playground with a privacy first approach, ensuring your data doesn't leave the university's protected environment. That matters a lot. Nowadays, we're using ChatGPT or the Gemini kind of uh, chatbots, but here we all know that our data is not secure or we are not 100% sure that we can maintain the confidentiality of our data or the information. Stanford infrastructure, the environment is hosted by Stanford IT, not on public commercial servers. It's not on the public commercial servers where everyone can access it. Vendor agreements. Legal contracts ensure files are not shared externally or used to train public AI models. The way we are feeding data to the ChatGPT or the Gemini, based on that, it trains itself. It has that self-training system in that. But here, you are going to feed the data which you want, but you will get whatever you want from the AI. Data retention. Policies are being considered to automatically purge data after a set period to reduce risk. So data retention, they have taken care of it. Security or the agreements will be there. So definitely it will help you in the security and the confidentiality. The safety shield, protected environment. Data remains within the university boundary, so definitely it is protected. Your staff, higher officials, and the personnel, they can use and they can share data, not someone else outside the university or the outside the office. No AI training. Your inputs are never used to teach the models. They are not using whatever inputs you are giving to train that AI. That happens in the ChatGPT and Gemini, but not this playground which is created just for your office or your university. What to upload? Low and moderate risk data only. We should not upload high risk data, which is highly confidential. We can just upload the low and moderate kind of data, which has the low and moderate kind of risk. We should not share the high risk data, which is highly confidential. That is the measure which we should take. Keep a human in the loop. AI is a powerful tool, but it requires your judgment and oversight. Don't 100% means we should believe blindly on the AI. Human input or the human conscience, always we need to intervene and audit it. The Stanford way to take new technologies and the balance encouragement of the experimentation with acknowledgement of the risk, that matters a lot. Is said by Russ Atman, Chair AI at Stanford Advisory Committee. And this is really, really important. Stay vigilant. We should be always vigilant and we have to always believe that what we should do, ask the model to cite sources. Ask, why did you say that? Whenever we feel that this data is biased, we have to ask questions to the AI. Verify important dates and the facts. When we feel that hallucination is there in the data, we have to ask such kind of question to get the sources or the fact so that we could get some proofs of it. What should we not do? Assume the output is 100% true. We should not blindly follow it. Upload students' private data. We should not upload private data or confidential information of the university or the your workplace. Publish without editing first. Whenever you are generating some information or the description or the mail or the report from AI, first of all, we should audit it. First of all, we have to look into that. We have to edit it as per our requirement. Principle, human oversight. You are the pilot. AI is just a co-pilot. Never put the autopilot on the and the walk away. We should not just switch on the autopilot mode of the AI. Blindly, you should not believe in that. We have to just focus on what it is giving. We have to critically analyze the information generated by AI. Data risk levels, what to upload. We can upload low risk like published research papers, public course syllabi, or the general web content. What kind of moderate risk things we can upload? Like internal meeting notes or the draft policy documents or the non-public class materials. But when it comes to the students' grades or health records or the financial information, then we should avoid it. That would be always beneficial of our university or the colleges or the organization. Beginner checklist and the next step, what kind of things that we have to work on. Ready to start? Follow these simple steps to experiment safely. Start small and safe. Begin with low risk data like public syllabi or the you can upload the information or the papers. Compare two models. Run the exact same prompt in ChatGPT and the Gemini. See which output is the better. That comparison will help you to understand AI in a better way, how it works or how it algorithm works. Third, verify everything. Ask the AI for sources. Check facts manually. Don't trust it blindly. That is really important. Reflect and iterate. If the output is weird, ask why and ask for the resources and ask for the proof of it. Give feedback to the model to improve it. Share your findings. Join the AI playground Slack or tell the colleagues what worked for you. We have to interact and exchange information. What it has worked in this playground for you, what worked for them. If you are exchanging this information, it would make your work easy. Day 1. Log in and explore. Assess the playground. Read the responsible AI guide. Then what would be the next step for us? Run one experiment. Try with one simple experiment and then review and the connect. If you are following these steps, definitely you can use this AI playground properly with 100% usability and you will get the desired outcome. I hope this AI playground you have understood and we can work on the privacy and the ethical use of AI. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.